Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public broadcast channel on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and navigate to your direct messages. Look for the plus icon at the top right, then select Create Broadcast Channel. You'll need a creator or business account to access this feature, so make sure your profile type is correctly set up before proceeding. This initial step is crucial for unlocking the channel creation option. Once you've initiated the creation process, you'll be prompted to name your channel. Select a name that clearly reflects your content and brand. Next, add a brief description to inform potential subscribers about what to expect. Crucially, ensure you select the public option to make your channel discoverable by all your followers and beyond. Review these details carefully before finalizing your channel's basic setup. After setting up, it's time to invite your audience. You can share a direct invitation link or use a story sticker to encourage followers to join. Keep your audience engaged by consistently posting varied content, including text updates, photos, short videos, and interactive polls. Remember, active engagement is key to building a thriving community within your broadcast channel. Instagram broadcast channels offer several advanced features to enhance your experience. You can implement moderation tools to manage comments and maintain a positive space for your community. Additionally, access channel insights to track important metrics like subscriber growth and content performance, helping you refine your strategy. For more great deals, including the Owala water bottle mentioned, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.